In today's video, I am going to teach you how to type on a PDF document on Pandadoc. To begin, open Pandadoc and go to the Pandadoc editor. From here, open the PDF document or template you want to work on. You can do this by selecting an existing document you have already created or by opening a template you plan to reuse. Once your file is open in the editor, take a moment to look over the pages so you know exactly where text needs to be added. This quick scan helps you place fields accurately the first time. Next, you will place text fields on the PDF. A text field is what allows typing directly onto the document in the right spot. If you are the one who needs to type the information yourself, drag a text field onto the PDF and drop it where the text should appear. Then click directly on that field and type your information. Keep your typing concise and match the style of the surrounding document so it looks clean and professional. If someone else needs to type in a specific area, you will still drag a text field to the correct location, but instead of filling it in yourself, you will assign it to a recipient. Click the field to open its settings, then choose the correct recipient so Pandadoc knows who is responsible for completing that field. This is helpful for forms, agreements, or approvals where different people must provide different details. After your text fields are placed, you can format them to match the document. Click on a field and use the floating toolbar to adjust font size, alignment, or color. A useful tip is to align your text so it sits naturally on the lines of the PDF and to keep font sizes consistent across fields. Small adjustments here can make the final document look much more polished. When everything is in place and all required fields are filled, finalize the document. Click Finish or Send, depending on your workflow. Finishing typically completes the document setup, while sending delivers it to recipients for input or signing. Before you finalize, do a quick check to confirm every field is in the correct spot and assigned properly. That covers everything you need to know.